This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shira Bhagavatula. This home is the one for you. Gorgeous, immaculately kept lakefront, move-in ready home in Apollo Beach. No CDD and low HOA. Get ready to be wowed by the high ceilings, spaciously designed open floor plan, tons of natural light and upgrades that include diagonal tile in the common areas, surround sound wired in the living room and master bedroom, ceiling fans, kitchen backsplash and upgraded kitchen cabinets, soft close drawers, under cabinet lighting, and large kitchen island with granite counters allowing plenty of room for dining. The open floor plan flows nicely between kitchen, dining and family rooms. Dimmable chandelier lighting that creates lovely mood lighting in both living area and dinette. Office/den/man cave with glass doors, upgraded wood blinds on all windows. Don't miss the Tiki style outdoor kitchen upgrade. Fully equipped with a propane gas grill, refrigerator, trash unit, storage drawers, outdoor TV and built-in speakers. Separate smoker included. Sit back and enjoy the Florida sunset from the covered patio, ceiling fan in patio. Pavers 2. Beautifully manicured outdoor garden/lawn, plants and palms all through the property. Care for a game of Bocce Ball set up right in the backyard? Nice sized master bedroom with upgraded overhead chandelier, walk-in shower, walk-in closet and double vanity sinks. Beautiful arched windows in the guest bedroom. The conservation and absolutely stunning lake view with no backyard neighbors, while sitting in the tiki bar/kitchen is the absolute dream. Come make your dreams come true and view perfection. No flood insurance required. For virtual tour, https://my.matterport.com/show/??